Hi, here at H Mitchell Car Sales. We're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2015 Mazda 3 2-litre SE Navigation. This car's finished in aluminium silver metallic paint. It's got the daytime running lights, front fog lights. It's currently on a private plate which can stay with the car, or you can opt to have the number taken off and it will go back onto a 15 plate. This car's got body coloured door mirrors, chrome trim along the door tops, shark fin roof aerial, alloy wheels front near side. These are 16-inch alloy wheels. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with striped pattern centre panels. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Centre armrest with 2 cup holders. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving round to the back of the car now. So inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. Moving round to the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round. This car's got electric folding mirror. On the dashboard you've got the controls to deactivate the stop start, tyre pressure reset monitor, traction control. Centre armrest with internal storage box. Inside the storage box you've got a 12-volt accessory plug-in point, USB plug-ins and an auxiliary port, and also the SD card for the navigation system. Six-speed gearbox. Controls in the centre console for the media system. So you've got the volume control button on the left hand side, the big dial in the centre, select which function you're wanting to use. Then you've got the home button, audio and navigation. CD player, heater controls with manual air conditioning. And there's the touchscreen media system, so you've got the navigation on there into the home page. Then by turning the dial you're just selecting which function you're wanting to use. Select the audio, and on the audio you've got AM, FM bandings. You've also got Bluetooth, and you've got the USB ports, CD player, auxiliary ports. So it's just a matter of selecting which media system you want to use. Back to the home page. On the steering wheel you've got the controls for answering or rejecting phone calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible, volume control for the radio, and you've also got the station selection control. Moving back outside the car again, identification plate that tells it's a Mazda 3 2 litre SE 120 PS engine. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.